Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to secure your WordPress website with a free SSL certificate using Amazon Lightsail. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Lightsail account and go to your Amazon Lightsail instance. As you can see, I am logged into my instance right now. Now, before we get started, I'm going to open up a new private tab and go to my website, bncert.ai. As you can see, the website is not secure. We have a message here saying it's not private, and up here in the address bar, it's also saying not secure. So we're going to take care of this right now. So once you're logged into your instance, go down to the Connect tab, which it should be on by default. And then we're going to scroll down a little bit further, and you're going to see this option here to connect using SSH. All you got to do is click on this, and then it's going to load up the terminal. And then we're going to put one command in here, and I did put it in the description of this video, so you can just paste it in. Just one quick note: if you do paste it in, you might need to right click and paste. I don't believe Control V or the keyboard shortcut Control V will work, so just right click and paste. So the command that we're going to use is going to be sudo or sudo. I'm not really sure how to say this, but it's going to be /opt/bitnami /bncert-tool, and then we just push enter, and then in just a moment it should ask you for your domain, and it does. So we're going to put in manzeri.ai, and then we'll do space, and then we'll also do www.manzeri.ai, and then push enter. And then it's going to ask if you want to enable HTTP to the HTTPS redirection. This would be the, we would want to say yes to this because HTTPS is where we want our traffic to go to. So we're going to say Y and enter. Then it's going to say enable non-www to the www redirection. That one we're going to say no, so we can just put N and enter. And then the next one is enable www to the non-www redirection. And this one will say yes, so Y and enter. And then down here, it's going to tell you what changes your server is going to perform. So it's going to let you know that it's going to temporarily stop your web server while it tries to install the free SSL from Let's Encrypt. Let's Encrypt is the SSL authority that issues the certificate. So all you need to do here is just put Y and enter. And then it's going to ask you for your email address. So we'll just put our email in here, push enter. And then it's going to ask you if you agree with the subscriber agreement for Let's Encrypt. All you got to do is say, yes, you agree. So just Y and enter. And then it'll just take maybe a minute or two for it to install the certificate on your server. So we'll just let this load for just a moment. Okay, and we have a message here saying success. So down here it says press enter to continue. So just push enter, and then it returns you to a new prompt. So we are done. So we can just close out of the terminal. And now what I'll do is I'll go to a new tab, a new private window, and we'll type in the website, push enter, and now you can see here is our website, manzeri.ai. And if I click up here, we now see the connection is secure, and we actually see our WordPress website. We no longer get that warning that the page is not secure. If you did find my video helpful, a thumbs up would be appreciated, and also don't forget to subscribe for new videos. Thank you for tuning in.